Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all in your maths class. Today we are going to discuss and practice the subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. Before that, we will understand the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction means taking away one number from another. Now, students, this is the sign of subtraction. It is called minus. First of all, we should understand in subtraction, the greater number is called minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. Understand, students? The greater number is always come on the top and the smaller number will come after the greater number. The greater number is called minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. And the answer of the subtraction is called difference. Students, today we are going to understand and practice the subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. Now, in this example, 36 is the minuend and 24 is the subtrahend. And the difference we get after subtracting these two numbers is called difference. Here 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 12 is difference here. Students, look at my hands. How many fingers do I have in one hand? I have 5 fingers. And in two hands, I have 10 fingers. Now, do you know how many blocks do I have in my one hand? Block means 1, 2, 3. In one finger, there are 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In one hand, I have 15 blocks. We do subtraction with the help of these 15 blocks. How many blocks do one finger have? 3. How many blocks do two fingers have? 3 plus 3, 6. How many blocks do 3 fingers have? 9. And how many blocks do 4 fingers have? 12. And now total in 5 fingers we have 15 blocks. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's take an example. Students, today we will practice the subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing. Here the minuend is 68 and subtrahend is 37. Minuend is always greater than the subtrahend. Always a larger number comes on the top and the smaller number will be subtracted from the larger number. Now we will subtract. We will always start from ones place and after that we will solve the tens place digits. Now first we will start from ones place. Here we will subtract 7 from 8. We will first take 8 blocks. 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 blocks we have to subtract 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many blocks left? Only 1 block. We will write here 1. Now we will move to tens place. On the tens place, 6 is the minuend and 3 is the subtrahend. So we will subtract 3 from 6. First we will take 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and we will subtract 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 1, 2, 3. And we will write here 3. Here the difference or the answer is 31. Understand? Now students, we will take one more example. Here 94 is the minuend and 52 is the subtrahend. Now we will subtract 52 from 94. We will start from ones place and then we will solve the digits at tens place. Now we will take 4 blocks. 4 blocks means 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 blocks we have to subtract 2 blocks. 1, 2. Now how many blocks will be left? Yes, tell me. 1, 2. We will write 2 here. Now we will subtract 5 blocks from the 9 blocks. First we will take 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we will subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many blocks will be left? Yes, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will write here 4. So here the difference is 42. Difference is 42. I hope students you have understood the concept of subtraction of 2-digit number without borrowing. Now it is your turn to do practice of subtraction sums so that you can solve the problem very easily. Thank you students for watching this video.